I'm speechless. I bought a Ferrari. I woke up this morning. I thought it was a dream. I walked outside and there is truly a Ferrari 458 in the driveway. In other news, we might be buying a Bugatti Chiron today, which is cool. But then also the Veyron, which is still for sale. If you're interested, like, please buy it. The car's going to SEMA in a couple weeks, and so we rewrapped it. And the reveal is happening like right now, today. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. I kind of sort of clickbaited you guys like right off the bat. I know I have a history of doing that. But anyways, when I say buying a Chiron today, not exactly today, but maybe in the future. Some of you guys might have seen there's a Chiron going up for auction that had a minor mishap. It got a little bit toasty, you might say. This Chiron is going up for auction in West Palm Beach, Florida. The sale date is in the future. They say estimated retail value of $345,000. It has a bunch of fire damage here on the front end. Supposedly a Molotov cocktail, some dude like tossed it on the car. I'm not exactly sure, but imagine the possibilities with a Chiron. We're racing up to Park City. So the Veyron is done. The color is quite bold, very bold. Picture this for a split second. A wide body Bugatti Chiron. The W16, I don't know if it's entirely intact, but if it's not, we just LS swap it and twin turbocharge it. I realize the Bugatti executives will be rolling in their graves, but like, it would be a truly one of one. I know Ed Bullion sold like 15 cars. Tavares wants it. Houston wants it. One second. But I want it as well. This downshift, this acceleration is for Elon Musk. Go to the moon! That's right, baby. Musk goes to space. We go to the moon. They're saying that fire damage Chiron's gonna go for $345,000. There's no way. That car's easy $650, $750, $800, $900,000. Just imagine like it on the wall of the new house. There's so many crazy possibilities. What do you guys think? Should we buy that Chiron? An off-road Chiron. Whoa. And go. That was for the Model Y. Brakes, carbon ceramics. Well, we made it here to beautiful Park City and Summit Auto Lab. I am so excited to see the Veyron. I've only seen a couple photos of it. I've not seen it in real life, so we're seeing it at the exact same time. The one thing I will say, you might love it. You also might kind of sort of hate it, but I can guarantee you this, you've never seen a Bugatti in this color. I kind of sort of couldn't help myself. I've seen the car. It is a million times better than I ever could have imagined. So KPMF invited me to SEMA. I was like, we could rewrap the car purple, but I knew we had to go with something more bold. Check this baby out. It is so sick. I wish you guys could see it in person. Oh, yes. Bro, it's so sick. Oh my gosh. So the KPMF Stealth Dynamic Teal. You got it. Wow, this color is so sick. So guys, this car is gonna be on display at SEMA center stage on the KPMF stand. The color looks so crazy in person. I wish you guys could see it because I think on camera, it looks a little bit more blue, but in person, like the teal, especially this Utah perfect day, it is gorgeous. The two colors together are actually pretty dope. Like they have that same stealth finish. You guys know I have an over obsession with stealth finishes, and this one, I think I like this better than purple. I realize this is like in the moment, the first time I've seen it. I think I love it better than the purple. I love the white accents as well. It's just, it's dope. Now, just in case you guys are wondering, your eyes are not deceiving you. That is a squatted truck in the background. That's Clayton Stark. That's how he rolls nowadays. Yeah. It's just who he is, and we love him for it. So SEMA's gonna be pretty sick this year. You're taking what car?
The Cayman.
Came into SEMA with the Veyron. They're both gonna be on the same stand right next to each other.
Literally right next to each other.
Any exclusives? What color are you doing?
We're doing a color by KPMF.
Okay, there you have it. I can't get over how crazy this color is. Like, it's bougie. I would reckon I actually like this better than the purple. I know it's new, so it feels super refreshing, but I think it kind of looks cooler. It actually makes the car look more special, more sophisticated, which I am obviously neither of both, but it looks sick. It's a little bit windy right now, so we do apologize, but just take a moment to appreciate Clayton's hair right now. Are you kidding me? Like, he takes all the hair, like, sorry, wow. Cut, Luke, we can't include that. I mean, we can't, yeah, anyway. So the Bugatti's super cool and all, but honestly, the only reason we're here is because we have a vast open parking lot. Chandler, I love you, I support you. You do actually still own the car because I haven't paid you today, Sunday, I pay you on Monday, but it's my car, it's in my possession, so spin session right now. Thank you to the Utah Highway Patrol for that right there. We still have a bunch of leftover adhesive. So also, full disclosure, I might do donuts really well. They also could be very, very poor. Yeah. That wasn't bad for a warm-up.
Dude, I'm actually super impressed.
Wait.
That was dope.
I should do it again though, yeah?
Absolutely.
Of course, of course. So we just got a bunch of check engine lights. We have ESC system failure, Manatino failure. It just keeps cycling through. Ferrari, yeah, we're just gonna AVH system failure. I don't know what that is. I don't think I want to know. Turbos to the moon, go! Whoa, doggy! Whoa! The turbos love that fresh, cold mountain air. Goodness! And the Defender, the LR4, yeah. I see it, I see it! Go, baby, go, 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 go! Oh, this stupid LR4, he just ruined us! Goodness, that Ferrari sounds so crazy, but we got 4 turbos and we go bye-bye. Sometimes I forget this Veyron is next level. Like, you step on the accelerator for 2 or 3 seconds, you look down at the speedometer, and then you realize what you just done. The state penitentiary is closer than you think. Oh, hey! Oh, what? Is he going? You going? Go, go! Bye! Oh my gosh! The 458 is a fast car! And we just, well, obviously we embarrassed him. So Clayton is an absolute legend. My blinkers, which weren't working a couple weeks ago, are now functioning absolutely perfectly. Luke is very confused right now because I keep using my blinkers, so he's changing lanes, but like, yeah, we're good. I have this Model S in my sight. Come on, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Are you kidding me? I want to eat him for lunch. He's not going to do it. I had to drop my speed to 60 miles. He's not going to do it. He was a little bit shy, but I think, you want to go? You want to go? Is he gonna go? Go, 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 go. Oh, and we go. Bye, bye. Wow, we flexed on a Y, an S, and an X all in one video. This is the best video ever. I gotta admit though, I'm really glad that wasn't a plaid, because if that was a plaid, we would have embarrassed ourselves. I think it was probably a 75D, so yeah. This guy, Luke, a true hero, he's picking up the pizza. Pepperoni pizza from Domino. Oh, that F5's too good. I know there's faster cars out there, but the way the power is delivered through the Veyron, through those 4 turbos, there's just nothing quite like it. I know I told you guys I'm trying to sell the Veyron, and I still am trying to sell the car. It's still for sale, $1.35 million, but when you get an invite to SEMA, you can't turn that down. SEMA is one of the coolest opportunities. The car's gonna be center stage on the KPMF stand. This color looks so sick too, but if any future buyers, will unwrap the car if you want, but if you don't, we won't. Like, whatever you want. $1.35 million, that's all I want. You know what I really want, and what Oscar really wants,
Most expensive delivery car ever, dude.
Oh my gosh, Oscar, bud, we got pizza. Oscar, pizza, look, it's pizza. Yeah, that's pepperoni, bud. That's pepperoni. Well, unfortunately, this seems to be the case with a lot of my cars. They come to the warehouse to die because I have nowhere to park them. Yeah, case in point. But also, what is going on here at the warehouse? So Stefan has been building his GTR. Luke, where's Stefan?
I know nothing about you.
I've seen you in the videos. You know.
Okay, his car is in like 400 pieces, you can tell. But SEMA Crunch, I think he's gonna make it.
Is he okay though? Because I feel like there's a blanket on the couch. Is he sleeping on the couch?
Well, we're not supposed to talk about that.
In my video buying the Ferrari 458, I saw a lot of comments, a lot of skepticism from you guys. A lot of you guys implying that I'm gonna sell this car again in a month, which is not true whatsoever. It's one of my all-time favorite cars. I bought the Liberty Walk kit a year ago, and we are totally gonna be installing this very, very, very soon. I've already called Casey. He's flying to California tomorrow. Come on, Casey, we need you. But he's gonna be back this weekend, and we're gonna start the process. That being said, I have the Liberty Walk kit. I don't quite know where it is, but I have an idea. Now, today's video is pretty much over, but a couple quick updates. Somebody please buy my Tesla. The Gladiator, jeez, bro. Look at this man right here. Wow. Standing like a Greek god. The Gladiator 6x6 is also going to SEMA. So the Veyron and the Gladiator will both be in Vegas in a couple weeks. The side-by-side is a complete mess, but the NASCAR. We're still trying to figure out exactly what to do with the NASCAR. If you guys have any amazing ideas, let me know in the comments below. I think doing a top speed run on the lake bed in this thing would be ridiculous. We could also try to convert it to street legal. How you do that, I don't know, because the car doesn't have a VIN. So I think we get a VIN
and then we put a NASCAR on a VIN? I don't know. What do you guys think? I need some good ideas. Let me know in the comments below. What do you want to see with a NASCAR? Luke, cradle like a baby. You got her? No. We have the front bumper to my Aventador Roadster, so we got the front fenders of my Nissan GTR, but back here, boys, is the Liberty Walk wide body kit. This is gonna be so sick. So, this is the carbon fiber ducktail. That piece is so sick. So instead of like the chassis mounted wing, we have this thing in full exposed carbon fiber. I'm really honestly very excited for this build. One of my all-time favorites. You guys might remember, I filmed a Liberty Walk 458 at SEMA in Vegas, get rear-ended by a Jeep. I must have had 3,000 subscribers, maybe? We just found the rear bumper, which naturally, of course, is upstairs. I realize I haven't been up here in like 3 or 4 months. So in this office right here, we have even more Lamborghini parts. If anybody needs a carbon fiber diffuser for the Aventador, I'll make you a competitive offer. And then the rear bumper right here. Obviously, we're not gonna take this downstairs because that would be incredibly efficient, but I think on that glorious, beautiful, eloquent bombshell, today's video is over. You give Luke the keys to a Ferrari, he's just not the same Luke we used to know and love.